Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. I am so incredibly thrilled to have you here today. We are looking at a brand new, highly strategic partnership between Volkswagen and Google Cloud. And look, I just want to set the stage right out of the gate. Today, we are completely skipping the technical jargon. We are not going to get bogged down in the deep coding mechanics of AI models or anything like that. Instead, we're focusing entirely on the massive business and customer value of VW's new AI integration. In today's highly competitive market, the customer experience is absolutely the new battleground for automotive brands. Car companies aren't just selling steel and rubber anymore, right? They're selling digital experiences. So this is really all about how smart companies are using technology to completely transform that customer experience and gain a serious edge.
We have literally all been there. Picture this. You're driving along, minding your own business, maybe you're running late for a super important meeting, and suddenly, boom, a random, completely obscure dashboard light pops up on your digital cockpit, and you have absolutely zero idea what it means. Is it a dangerous tire issue, a severe engine warning, or just, a routine software update? Why should a simple warning light feel like an absolute crisis? It's a universal, everyday frustration that instantly causes anxiety for a driver. Your mind just starts racing about repair costs and safety. Historically, the process of solving this simple problem has been incredibly frustrating, taking what should be a minor moment and turning it into a major headache.
Think about the difference here. The old way meant pulling over to the side of a busy, noisy road, digging through a thick, dusty, practically impossible to read manual in your glove box. Or maybe you're frantically searching online FAQs, sorting through random forums, or digging around for separate video guides on your phone while the traffic just speeds by. It was disjointed, it was slow, and honestly, it was incredibly stressful. But the new way? It's all about getting instant, consolidated answers through one single, intuitive mobile app. You really have to look at this not just as some dry IT update, but as a brilliant strategic business pivot by Volkswagen. They're actively utilizing technology to completely eliminate a major customer pain point and turn a highly stressful moment into a remarkably seamless interaction.
Okay, let's dive into this. VW meets Google Cloud, powering the MyVW app. To make this new seamless way a reality, Volkswagen of America didn't just build this from scratch in a vacuum. Recognizing the need for top-tier digital infrastructure, they formed a highly strategic partnership with Google Cloud to completely supercharge their existing MyVW app. What they've effectively created is a powerful virtual assistant right in your pocket. Now, while it is powered by a state-of-the-art Google Cloud engine utilizing their advanced Vertex AI and Gemini models, from the business perspective, Google Cloud is simply acting as the invisible engine here. The driver really doesn't need to know how the engine works. They just experience the incredible horsepower. And that is exactly what you want when designing a consumer product. It gives car owners highly intuitive, deeply conversational access to critical vehicle information and services right when they need them most, without demanding they become tech experts to actually use it. Behind the scenes, VW and Google Cloud accomplished something massive. They took multiple, completely disconnected data sources. We're talking the dense vehicle owners' manuals, the sprawling customer FAQs, thousands of help center articles, official VW YouTube videos, and various step-by-step guides, and seamlessly merged them. They literally consolidated this massive, scattered collection of data entirely into one single place for the user. Just think about the sheer amount of time this saves the customer. Instead of the car owner spending 20 minutes hunting across the internet and getting super frustrated, the AI does all the heavy lifting in seconds to find the exact right piece of information. This is immense client value.
Real value for drivers with multimodal AI in action. So we clearly understand the high-level strategy, but how does this actually look out in the real world? Let's shift our focus to how this technology actually functions in the hands of everyday drivers when they really need it most. And this brilliantly illustrates the frictionless user experience. Because the Google Cloud Engine has what are called multimodal capabilities, meaning it natively understands text, voice, and images all at the exact same time. The steps to solve that initial dashboard light anxiety are incredibly simple. Step 1, open the MyVW app. Step 2, simply point your smartphone camera right at the dashboard. Step 3, get highly helpful information and instant context on that specific indicator light. There is absolutely no typing required. It is visually recognizing the problem in real time and giving the driver immediate, actionable peace of mind. Or consider another highly relatable, deeply stressful scenario. Let's say you get a flat tire on a rainy, dark evening. The absolute last thing you want to do is swipe through pages and pages of a digital PDF manual looking for the precise jack points on your specific car model. Instead, you can just ask the app a natural conversational question like, How do I change a flat tire? Because the data is grounded specifically in VW's actual manuals and official videos, you get low latency, highly accurate help tailored exclusively to your exact vehicle. It's personalized support right at your fingertips, completely transforming a moment of sheer panic into a moment of calm, guided resolution. Let's look at elevating customer experience from the executive perspective. We need to zoom out for a moment to the broader business landscape. Why is a massive global brand like Volkswagen investing so heavily in this specific digital solution? To really understand the return on investment here, we should look at what the executives driving this partnership are actually saying about their core strategy. Abdallah Shanti, the Chief Information Officer for Volkswagen Group of America, makes a truly fascinating point here. He notes they're driven to introduce technologies that enhance the ownership experience and create love for our vehicles. Notice he doesn't mention the tech specs at all. He views AI not as some flashy gimmick, but as a highly practical utility tool. By helping owners understand their vehicles faster and easier, VW is using technology to actively build brand loyalty. They're creating a tighter, much more positive emotional connection between the customer and their car, which is absolutely vital for long-term business retention.
And that crucial point is beautifully summarized by Rachel Zaluzek, the Senior Vice President of Customer Experience. She connects this technological leap directly to tangible business value, stating it advances their promise of unparalleled customer service and exceptional value. By bringing all these different points of information into one incredibly easy-to-use place, VW is proving to their owners that they deeply value their time and their safety. In today's market, saving a customer 10 minutes of frustration on the side of the road, that's the ultimate way to secure their loyalty. That is the very definition of exceptional customer service. Furthermore, Thomas Kurian, the CEO of Google Cloud, emphasizes the broader industry impact of this launch. He points out that Volkswagen is setting a new standard for driver experiences. And this is a critical takeaway for us. By providing this highly personalized, fingertip-ready support, VW isn't just catching up to the market, they are setting a completely new industry standard for what a driver should expect from their car's companion app. They're essentially forcing the rest of the automotive industry to elevate their digital game. So what does this all mean for the future? We've seen today how Volkswagen is leveraging AI not just for the sake of having cool technology, but to solve real, everyday customer frustrations, ultimately building significantly stronger brand loyalty. It really makes you wonder, as AI successfully turns dense, confusing car manuals into intuitive, conversational co-pilots, what other daily frustrations will smart businesses eliminate next? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I hope this sparks some really great ideas for you.